Welcome back, traders and investors, to a quick tutorial on Renko Charts inside Barchart's interactive charts. Renko is one of the best bar types to filter noise and identify pure trend direction. Let's start on the interactive chart for any asset, and on the top of the toolbar, click to open the bar type selector and then choose Renko Charts from the list. Renko charts look like bricks: green bricks for rising prices and red bricks for falling prices. The brick color will be darker as they are forming. Unlike candlesticks, Renko bricks are governed entirely by price, not time. Some bricks take hours to form, others take days or even months. It depends completely on price movement. The most important part of a Renko chart is the brick size. Bricks can represent any fixed price movement, for example, 10 cents, 50 cents, or $5. You can also use an ATR-based brick size, which adjusts automatically based on volatility. To change your brick size, click the settings icon. By default, Barchart uses a 14-day ATR average true range. You can also adjust to traditional or percentage to set your own brick size. If you decrease the brick size, you'll see more bricks and swings, but this could be great for early trend reversals. A larger brick size smooths the chart and eliminates noise, but signals appear slower. Now, Renko charts are designed to highlight the dominant trend, but keep in mind, because bricks can change color early, Renko charts can create false reversal signals. So it always works best when you combine them with additional indicators like moving averages, RSI, or ADX for confirmation. Now, if you like this layout, click the Templates button. Save current chart as template, and then you can use this anytime in the future or set it as a default for your chart settings. Remember, the chart's time range doesn't control Renko charts. One brick might take months to form, while several bricks may form in a single day, depending on volatility and price action. In short, Renko charts help remove noise and make trends easier to spot by filtering out all price movement that's smaller than the brick size. Now give it a try on Barchart's interactive charts to sharpen your trend analysis. And for more charting tutorials, go to the Learn tab on the menu and click Site Education. Here, you'll find more educational resources and videos, including the top bar types every trader and investor should know. So start learning today, and we'll see you for the next one.